Hello everyone, this is a part 3 video on percent. Here in this video, we are going to do few more practice problem on percent. So here we have our very first problem. Meenakshi scored 72%. How many marks did she score out of 900? So we have to find 72% of, and after of we have the value 900. So I will place this 900 here, and the 72% of 900 which we need to calculate. How we are going to solve this? So 72, this percent will be replaced by over 100. This of will be replaced by multiplication, and 900 will come as it is. Now these 20 will be cancelled with these 20. So the number we have is 72 times 9. The multiplication of these two number will give us 648. So Meenakshi scored 648 marks out of 900, and this is our answer. So here we have our next problem. In a sport competition, team A won 8 matches. If the team won 40% of the total matches, how many matches did they play? So what we need to calculate? Number of matches they won is 8, and this is a 40%. So I can make 40% of what? Total, and we don't have that value, total number of matches. So I will place x instead of that value, and which is equals to 8. How many matches they won? 8 matches. So 40% of x, which is equals to 8. So 40 over 100 times x equals to 8. Now we will transpose the value 40 and 100 to the other side. So 100 will go in the numerator and 40 will come in the denominator. So x will be here only. 8 times 100 over 40. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100. So x is 20, where the value of x is what? Total number of matches is equals to 20. So here we have our next problem. What percent of the salary a person saves if his salary is 42,000 and he expends 35,700 out of that? So the remaining part he saves. So first we will calculate how much money he will save in a month. So for that I will subtract these two values. So savings is equals to 42,000 minus 35,700. When we will subtract these two numbers, we will get 6,300 rupees. So this much amount he is going to save every month. Now how we will calculate the percent? So what percent? Let's say x percent of total amount. So which is 42,000 and which is equals to 6,300. So the saving of, what percent of saving is there? X percent of saving is there, and x percent of total amount, which is equals to 6,300. So x over 100 times 42,000 equals to 6,300. Now transpose these two values to the other side. So x, which is equals to 6,300 times 100 over 42,000. Now these two 0 will be cancelled with these two 0. This one more 0 will be cancelled with this 1 0. Now value we have left with 63 times 10 over 42. Now 21 times 2 is 42. 21 times 3 is 63. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So the value of x, which is left with 3 times 5, which is 15. And here we are calculating the x percent. So the whatever value we are getting, we will get in percent. So 15% of his total salary the person saves every month. So here we have our next problem. In an election, two candidates A and B contested. A got 65% of the total votes. The total votes polled were 9,000. How many votes did each get? So first of all, we will calculate. A has got 65% of total vote, and which is 9,000. So I'll place 65% of 9,000, and which we have to calculate. How we can calculate? 65 over 100 times 9,000. And these 20 will be cancelled with these 20. So the number is left with 65 times 90. After calculating these two numbers, we will get 5,850. So candidate A has got 5,850 votes. Now candidate B has got. So there are two ways to solve these two. First, if A has got 65%, so out of 100%, rest of the percentage B has got, which is 35% of total votes, that means 9,000. So 35 over 100 times 9,000, which is equals to, these 20 will be cancelled with these 20, and we are left with 35 times 90, and this calculation will give us 3,150 votes. So B has got total 3,150 votes and A has got 5,850 votes. This part B also we can calculate by subtracting. B has got 9,000 minus how many votes A has got. So which is 5,850. So B has got, if you will subtract these two numbers, you will get 3,150. So this is a first way to do. This is a second way to do. You can do in either way. Both are correct. Thank you.